1 plus 1 gives us 2, and 10 times 2 is equal to 20, and 200 divided by 20 is equal to just 10, right? But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, which I will write here. So according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stand for addition or subtraction. According to this rule, the first thing to solve is parenthesis, right? Parenthesis is priority number 1. And the second thing to solve is exponent, and the exponent is priority number 2. And the third thing to solve is multiplication or division. It is priority number 3. And finally, we have to solve addition or subtraction. It is priority number 4. So we have to solve the problem in this order. This is the right order to solve a problem, a mathematical problem, in order to get a consistent correct answer every single time. So here is where most people get wrong and get confused. Pay attention at this part of the video. They think multiplication comes before division, therefore we have to solve a multiplication. But that is wrong, because according to the rule, multiplication or division both have the same priority, right? They are priority number 3, and I put them up and down like this, and they have equal priority, right? So what should we do then? What is the correct way to solve multiplication or division? Well, if we encounter multiplication or division, like for example 10 divided by 2 times 5, we are going to do the division first. Not because division has higher priority than multiplication, but because division comes first. And we have to solve the problem left to right. So that is the correct way. So this is going to be the right way to solve and the correct answer. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 5 times 5 is 25. So the correct answer to this question is 25. So let's go back into our original problem and solve and see the correct answer. So in equation, the first thing to solve is parentheses. Of course, we have to do inside the parentheses. So inside the parentheses, we have 1 plus 1, which is 2. And the problem becomes 200 divided by 10 times 2. So here we have one division and one multiplication. What to do first? Well, we have to do the division, right? Because the division comes first, and since we are solving the problem left to right, we are going to start from the division and we are going to go all the way to the multiplication. So that is the right approach. So 200 divided by 10 gives us 20, and 20 times 2 is equal to 40. So the correct answer to this question is 40.